Later this week, convicted murderer Lori Vallow Daybell will finally be sentenced for 2 murder conspiracy cases in Arizona. Arizona is the second state where she'll be facing a life sentence.
The I-Team's Erica Stapleton, who has been on this case for nearly 6 years now, is here to break down what we can expect. Erica?
Well, Mark Caribe, just this afternoon, I obtained the prosecutor's sentencing memo, which says the punishment in Arizona for murder conspiracy is life in prison with the possibility of release after 25 years. But release, however, will not be possible for Lori Vallow Daybell because she's already serving a life sentence in Idaho for murdering her children, Tylee and JJ, and for her role in the death of Tammy Daybell, her current husband's first wife. That trial unfolded in Idaho in 2023, and after that case, Vallow Daybell was extradited to Arizona to face 2 more murder conspiracy cases. In April of this year, she was convicted of conspiring to kill her former husband, Charles Vallow. And just last month, in June, she was convicted of conspiring to kill her niece's ex-husband, Brandon Boudreau. She will be sentenced in both of those cases on Friday. And Mark Caribe, I am expecting this to be an emotional sentencing hearing. It's been a long 6 years, and the prosecutor says some of these victims in these cases will be speaking in court on Friday. The prosecutor is also able to bring up Lori Vallow Daybell's past murder convictions in Idaho as a factor for the judge to consider, which is something the prosecutor could not do during the trials.
And Erica, how does this sentence work along with her sentence in Idaho?
You know, Mark, the Idaho sentence comes first, so after she's sentenced here, she will be extradited back to Idaho and serve her prison sentence, which there is life in prison. The prosecutor is asking that the sentences here run consecutively, which of course can't happen because life after life after life, you know. But I do think that sends a message, again, to the severity of these crimes and these cases. And Mark Caribe, I did ask about extradition. I talked to MCSO. They have to be tight-lipped with a lot of these details for security reasons, but at this point, they don't have an update on when this will be happening. We're in the studio tonight. Erica Stapleton, 12 News.
All right, Erica, thank you. And of course, Erica will be following all of this. You can watch our live coverage of Lori Vallow Daybell's sentencing on Friday morning on 12+. Our coverage begins at 8:30 and will lead into the sentencing hearing.